Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Welding Helmets.
Number 5.
Yes, Welder True Color Solar Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Great Fatigue Migma. Viewing size 3.64 x 1.67 with 2 premium sensors. Better clarity, True Color View 1/1/1/2 optical clarity. Increased battery life. Superior comfort with the pivot style headgear.
Number 4.
Solar powered welding helmet auto darkening. Ultimate eye protection, auto darkening filter switches from light. Manual adjustment meets different demands, equipped with sensitivity. Clean comfortable view, equipped with standard 3.62 single quote 65 single quote. Intelligent, practical and cost-effective, the auto darkening filter. Good for various working environments, recommended to automotive.
Number 3.
Solar powered welding helmet auto darkening professional. Optimal eye protection, auto darkening filter switches from light to dark in 1/25,000 seconds. Manual adjustment meeting different demands, equipped with sensitivity. Clean comfortable view, equipped with standard 3.85 single quote x 3.15 single quote clear visor viewing area. Intelligent, practical and cost-effective, the auto darkening filter at DX980N. Good for various working environments, recommended to automotive.
Number 2.
Deco Pro Auto Darkening Solar Welding Helmet. Ideal for arc, SMA, MIG, heavy, MIG, light, TAW, SAW, PAC, PA plasma welding. Auto darkening system to protect eyes and face from harmful sparks. Lightweight durable construction to reduce fatigue when wearing for long periods of time. Adjustable head straps to ensure tight fit so no hands required, leaving hands free for welding. This welding helmet uses the latest LCD technology to automatically tint the viewing.
Number 1.
Coolwoom Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Entry-level auto large 3.62 x 1.65 screen area with variable shade adjustment from number 9-13. Perfect for ideal firma, MIG/MGA, includes replacement cover lenses. Digital welding filter for better protection. in conformance with CE. Sensitivity solar-powered welding helmet with 2 arc sensors. Adjustable delay control selection for switching speed, short,